stopping by. My name is Annette and I'm a Paris-based stylist. In this channel I want to show you my tips and tricks, how to look your best, how to add a little bit of Parisian chic and style to your everyday lifestyle. I'm also passionate about my city. I love this place so much, so if you're planning to visit this city, or if you want to move to Paris one day, or if you would like to discover like real Parisian gems, then also subscribe because I will be sharing more and more about it. As cliché as it sounds, Paris is a fashion capital. Here we have the most amazing local designers that produce the stuff that is not accessible overseas. So you will be able to find and discover stuff that you wouldn't find in your own country. And also I want to give you some ideas for recycling and thrifting, because here in Paris, even for 2-3 euros, you can find pieces that will make you look and feel fabulous. So if you like any of this stuff and we would like to keep in touch, then subscribe to my channel because I cannot wait to share this stuff with you. Bye!